Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. I got a brokerage boat here for you. This is a cruiser's yacht. It is a 2017 with only 25 hours on the engine. This is Merc Cruiser, 380 horsepower, stern drive with joystick. So you got the good Mercury engines on it. If you're looking for a huge swim platform, this thing has a lot of room back here. Sea deck on the swim platform. You got some storage lockers on both sides. Center walk through, seating on both sides. You got a high-low table, wood table. So cool seating there. Let me show you something else this can do if you really want to convert the cockpit and doing something different. Say you want everybody to sit together, you can unlock it, slide this down, lock it together, flip the table over. You got a big table, raise the table and everybody can sit around there. You can lower the table, put pads on it. It's a sun lounge. Well, maybe you want to see who's on the swim platform. You can lower those backrests down, open to the swim platform. Pretty neat convertible seating here in the cockpit. Easy to slide over. I'm just barely even pushing it. Get it back to the other side. It'll lock right down into place. In the cockpit, you have two side walkways going up to the bow, one on each side, so you can walk up to the bow from either side. It does have a Kenya grill. You got a little freshwater sink. You got a pull-out refrigerator drawer. There is also cockpit AC and heat going in the boat. You can enclose the helm section with canvas and trap all that hot or cold air just in this compartment right here. Outside is just going to be natural. You got a hard top on here. It does have a big canvas opening sunshade on it. Hit a button, slide that open. If you want the sun, you got it. Here at the helm, double wide flip down bolster. Again, it's got the Merc Cruiser stern drive gas engines on it. Trim it up and down. A little more speed by trimming up the engines on there. It does have sky hook and auto heading on it. Again, only 25 hours on this 2017 boat. The factory warranty is good until January of 2022 on the engines. So the boat's only been used, one summer, and barely used at that too. So you also got radar on it. You got the charts. You got radar. You got a transducer. Let's go look down below. Before we go down your seat, you got a little companion seat right here. Little bigger cabin that we have here. Got a high-low table, drop that down, make this into a bed. I got a TV on this side, storage compartments all the way around. Got a nice head compartment here with separate shower. And for this 39-foot cruiser, they have a aft mid-cabin stateroom. So a full beam master. Got a little seating area to the side, a cedar lined closet, your control panels against that back wall. I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax. This is a brokerage boat. If you have any questions about this boat, if you want to come see it on Lake Louisville, please call me, 214-244-5535. Thank you.